Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 20A of chapter 20 mensuration. One question is question number 12, question number 14 written on this board. In this question, the area of a square plot. The area of a square plot is 6084 meter square. Find the length of the wire which can go four times along the boundary of the plot. Here find the length of the wire which can go four times along the boundary. That means first of all find length and length. First of all find side of a square. After that find perimeter of the square. Now find length of the wire. So students, area of a square plot. Area of a square plot equal to 6084 meter square. So side of the square plot is under root area equal to under root 6084 meter square. Find the square root of 6084 meter square equal to 78 meter. Now find the perimeter. Perimeter equal to 4 into side. So equal to 4 into 78 meter equal to 8 for the 32 or 2 carry 3, 7 for the 28, 28 plus 3, 31. Check one time, 8 for the 32 or 2 carry 3, 7 for the 28, 28 plus 3, 31. 312 meter is the perimeter of the square plot. Now find the required length of wire. 4 into perimeter, so 312 meter. Multiply 2 for the 8, 1 for the 4 and 3 for the 12. 1248 meter the required length of wire. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 16. In this question, a godown is 50 meter long, 40 meter broad and 10 meter high. Find the cost of whitewashing its four walls and selling at rupees 20 per meter square. Here, find the area of four walls of the room and ceiling of the room. So given here given length equal to L equal to 50 meter, base equal to 40 meter and height equal to 10 meter. So area of four walls area of 4 walls equal to 2 into L plus B into H equal to 2 into 50 plus 40 into 10. 50 plus 40, 90. 90 into 2, 180. 180 into 2 equal to 1800 meter square. Now find the area of the ceiling. Area of the ceiling equal to L into B equal to length is 50 into 40 meter square equal to 5 for the 20 and double 0 2000 meter square. So total area for whitewashing. Total area for whitewashing equal to 1800 meter square plus 2000 meter square equal to 3800 meter square. Now find the cost of whitewashing. Therefore, cost of whitewashing. Cost of whitewashing equal to total area is 3800. Rate rupees 20 per meter. So rupees 20 multiplied 1230 and 8 to the 16 of 6 carry 1 3 to the 6 plus 1 7 76 rupees 76,000 rupees 76,000 answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 17. In this question, the area of the four walls of a room is 168 meter square. The breadth and height of the room are 10 meter and 4 meter respectively. Find the length of the room. In this question, we have to find the length of the room. Breadth and height are given. So let length equal to x, breadth equal to 10 meter and height equal to 4 meter. So according to the question, area of the four walls equal to 168 meter square. That implies the formula of area of the four wall is 2 into L plus B into height. 2 into length plus breadth into height equal to 168 meter square. That implies next step is 2 into L. L is length is x plus breadth 10 into height 4 equal to 168. That implies 2 and 4 by transposition. 2 4 the 8. So 8 into 8 into, remove the bracket also. 2 4 the 8. So 8x plus 80. 2 4 the 8. Remove the bracket. 8 into x, 8x plus 10 into 8, 80 equal to 168. Next step is 8x equal to 168 minus 80. Now here that implies 8x equal to 168 minus 80. 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0, 8. And 16 minus 8, 8, 88. That implies ax equal to 88 by 8 equal to 11. Cancel 11 times. So 11 meter. Therefore length equal to x equal to 11 meter. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 19. Today it is last question also. In this question, the area of four walls of a room is 120 meter square. If the length of the room is twice, if the length of the room is twice its breadth and the height is 4 meter, so find the area of the floor. Students, let breadth be equal to x. Then length equal to 2x. Let b equal to x and L equal to 2x. H equal to 4 meter. H equal to 4 meter. According to question, area of four walls. Area of four walls of a room equal to 120 meter square. That implies 2 into L plus B into H equal to 120 meter square. Next step is 2 into L, length is 2x and breadth is x into height 4 meter equal to 120 meter square. That implies 2 into 4, 8. 2x plus 3x. 2x plus x is 3x. 3x into 2 4 the 8. 8 3 are 24x equal to 120 meter square. Now that implies x equal to 120 by 24. 24 5 ja 120 equal to 5 meter. Now breadth equal to x equal to 5 meter. Length equal to 2x. 2 into 5 meter equal to 10 meter. Therefore area of the floor area of the floor equal to L into B equal to 10 meter into 5 meter equal to 10 5 या 50 meter square answer. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 28. Thank you. That's all.